Thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, and your 2025 Ford Super Duty Platinum F-350s like what we have here. Yes, this is a beautiful truck. Yes, it is featuring our plug-and-play auto flasher kit on the DRL of the headlights there. Yes, we do have a kit for the fog lights as well if you'd like. It's also featuring our auto flasher kit on the 5 roof lights right there. Oh yeah, it's looking great. No, we don't have anything for the mirrors, unfortunately, on these new trucks. And working our way around the back, yes, we have a cargo light kit. No, it was not input on this truck. Working our way into the platinum high-level tail lights, you can see we're flashing the red tail light. No, we do not flash the brake. Yes, we do flash the tail. And you can, if you'd like, flash the amber turn signals as well. No, you cannot flash the white reverse because it's data-driven. Get everything here at wickedwarnings.com.